Hello Trailblazers, welcome back to my channel Salesforce Treasures. In the previous video we had completed the Lightning Experience Customization badge, which was a bit long, which had around 7 subunits, and we'll just jump into our next badge, that is Lightning App Builder, which is also a bit lengthy. So I'll just post some short videos who are like for trailblazers who just want to complete their challenge can follow those videos, and for trailblazers who have more interest in getting their career in Salesforce and want some more explanations can just look into my long video, so that the explanation which I give would preferably be better, and you can understand it as well. So let's begin with Lightning App Builder. This badge also has 7 subunits, so without making the video more lengthy, we'll just jump into our first subunit, which is called as Get Started with Lightning App Builder. What is Lightning Page? A custom layout for creating pages in Lightning Experience and the Salesforce mobile app. And what can you build with Lightning App Builder? I guess both A and B. So let's just check the challenge, and yeah, this is the right answer. So we'll just quickly jump into our second subunit. This is our second subunit, build a custom home page for Lightning Experience. So we'll just quickly jump into our challenge. Okay, the challenge we have is to create a home page. So I'll just quickly launch my playground, and I'll just zoom in a bit so that I can select my setup page. And just make the size normal, and I search for app builder, Lightning App Builder. I have to just click on new and select the type as home page, as they had given to create a home page. So I have to just select the home page, and next I have to copy paste the label. It's actually named as Sales Homes. I'll just copy it, paste it. Next we'll just see the format, which format it prefers. Standard home page template, API name sales underscore home. Okay, standard home page, done. And the API name is the same. Just check it once. If it's not same, just copy and paste it. In my case, it's same. Add standard components to your sales home page. Okay, performance, assistant, today's task and key deals must be added. So I'll just go and search for performance. I'll drag and drop it here. I'll search for assistant. I'll drag and drop it here. I'll search for today's task and drag and drop it here. I'll search for key deals and drag and drop it here. And all the 5 of them, all the 4 of them have been added here. 1, 2, 3 and 4. We have to just save and activate as they are given in the challenge. App sales and profile assignment as custom sales profile. So assign to apps, we have to select sales, home default. No, not this. Just a second, I'll just show you again. I'll just activate it. Assign as default org, not this too. I'll just activate it. Apps and profiles. Okay, yeah, this is the correct settings. Apps, we have to assign it for sales. Next, and we have to click custom sales profile. As they have given custom sales profile, we have to select custom sales profile next and save. It has got activated successfully. We can go back and we can check our challenge. We'll just wait for some time. We have completed our second subunit, so let's just get started or jump into our third subunit. Coming to our third subunit, it is named as build a custom record page for lightning experience in Salesforce mobile app. So in this subunit we are going to create a record page. In the previous subunit we had created a home page, so I'll just quickly jump into our challenge. I have to just cross these previous launched playgrounds so that it can avoid refreshing. So in the previous video, as I had explained, we have to create a record page similarly. I'll just zoom in a bit so that I can click on my setup page, and I'll just zoom back so that, and yes, we have to create a record page. It should be named as new account page. I'll just copy that. I'll just go to app builder, lightning app builder, new record page, as they have told us to create a record page, so I'm just going to create a record page. Next, I'll just paste new account page and object as account, as they are given the new account name and account object. So I have just selected that and just gone on next, and we have to select the template. It will be header and right slide bar, header and right side bar. Next, and we have created the page. We have to just add some standard components into that. We'll just add the standard component highlights panel and tabs. I'll just search for lights panel, tabs into here, and I have to add the activity tab. Okay, I've just added the tab, and here is the add tab, so I just click on add tab, and I have to select activity and done. So the activity tabs gets added here. Add standard component to each tab. Okay, for activities tab, activities must be given. For activity tabs, activity, and for details tab, record detail. For details tab, record detail, and for related tab, related list. For related tab, related lists. And that's all is the way that we created a record page. We have to just save and activate it. Okay, I'll just save it and activate, assign as default or for both desktop and phone. Next, and save. That's all, and I'll just check my challenge here and we'll wait for some time. Let the Salesforce Trailhead backend check whether we have done it right or wrong. We have successfully completed our third subunit. We'll quickly dive into our fourth subunit. In this video, we are starting with the fourth subunit of the Lightning App Builder, which is named as Get Started with Dynamic Forms. We'll just quickly jump into the challenge we have. This Dynamic Forms is nothing but which provides an additional features of the particular record page. Like we can add the visibility, we can use filters, So when the filter, when the criteria meets, then the particular fields or the component will be visible. We can add some those kind of extra features. So I'll just start with the challenge. So before starting the challenge, we have to just keep in mind that the new account page, which is the record page type, is already created in the previous unit. If it is not created in the previous unit, just type build a custom record page for Lightning Experience and Salesforce mobile app in the YouTube search box, where you will find my video on the top. You can just click on that, you can follow that video and then come back to this video. Okay, I'll just launch this. I'll just zoom in a bit so that I can click on my setup tab. I'll just come back to the original size. I'll just go for mobile settings, Salesforce mobile app settings, and I have to enable dynamic forms on mobile. Okay, I'll just enable dynamic forms on mobile. It will be saved automatically. I'll just go for Lightning app builder and see here, new account page. We have to click on edit. After clicking on edit, I have to just click on this. I'll just see upgrade to dynamic actions. I'll just click on upgrade now, migrate, next, account layout, and finish. It will be upgraded. This record page, which is named as new account page, is upgraded to the dynamic form. I'll just click on this component. I have to add a new tab. I have to add a new tab whose name is more information. I'll just copy that, and it is a custom a custom label, so I'll just paste it. Done. And when I click on more information, so move these field sections to more information tab, these field sections. So I have not created these field sections, so I have to just click on field sections. I will just click on more information, one field section, two field section, and three field section. The first field section will be named as additional information. I'll just copy so that the errors will be less. The second section name will be system information, and the third will be description information. I'll just click here and paste. And in the details tab, I have to remove fax and SL expiration date. Fax, I have to just upgrade now. Next, account layout, finish. So here these are automatically created, so I guess this is not required. I'll just delete these sections which I have created here. And click on details. I'll just pull this additional information tab in more information, and I'll paste it here. I'll drop the additional information here, and going again back to the details tab, I'll just drag and drop the system information into more information, and another one. I'll go to the details tab, and just a second, I have left the system information just above. I'll just put it down, the additional information, and go back to the details tab. Take the description information and again drop it in more information tab at the end, and I have to remove fax and SLA expiration date. I'll just remove the fax as it is dynamic forms. As the page layout is dynamic form, we can delete a particular field. And SLA expiration date, I guess it's not there. No, it's not there. I'll just go and see record detail mobile component. Okay, uh, record detail mobile component. That's also not there. I'll just save and activate. It's already assigned as the or default. Close, and I'll just check challenge. It's showing an error saying that the SLA expiration date is not yet it is still present. So we'll just recheck again by going to the account page. I'll go to details. It's not here, but let me check in the details tab once. I mean the more information tab once. Additional. Okay, it's here. We have to delete that. Okay, I'll delete the SL expiration date and again save. That time we'll get to know whether we have completed our challenge or not. Save. It's already assigned as a default org. I mean org default. I'll just go and refresh the page so that it should not show again the same error. And check challenge. We have successfully completed the subunit. We'll quickly jump into the next subunit without any further delay, as this video will get more long. So let's quickly jump into our next. Jumping to our fifth subunit, we have add visibility rules for the dynamic pages. So here we can, like as I told you in the previous video, we can add some filters for the visibility of a particular field or section or a component or any kind of thing. I'll just click on launch so that a new playground, I mean the playground gets launched. I'll just increase the size so that my setup will be visible. I'll again decrease it back to normal, and I'll just go for app builder. And in this also we have to make some changes in the new account page. So if you have not created the new account page, in the YouTube search bar type build a custom record page for lightning experience in Salesforce mobile app. After that you follow that video and again come back to get started with dynamic forms. Go follow that video and again finally come back to this video. This is a complete back-to-back module. So if you have not completed this third or fourth or second or first subunit, you cannot go to the further subunits. So I just preferably tell you to go step by step. So I have just come home, lightning app builder, new account page, edit. I'll just add rich text component on the page with this text. Okay, I have to just add a rich text component, so I'll just do that. Rich text component here with a rich text named. I'll just copy that so that the margin of error will be low. Copy and paste. Hot account, and that's it. Add a visibility rule to the rich component. Okay, I have to just select this, set up visibility. I have to add a filter type, record field rating equals hot field. Rating equals hot, and done. That's all. We have to save and activate and close. As it is already assigned, we have to just close. If you find a text named add as org default, please click that and then go for save. That's it. We'll just check challenge and check whether we are right or wrong. Let the backend of the Salesforce trailhead check whether we have done all the challenges or all the step properly or not. We have completed our fifth subunit also successfully. We'll quickly dive into our Sixth subunit, any particular app will have three types of page: app page, home page, and record page. We have already seen how to create a home page and a record page. So in this subunit, which is the sixth subunit of the badge named Lightning App Builder, we are going to create a app page. So we'll just quickly go into the challenge. I'll just close this previously launched playground so that I should not have any refreshing problem. I'll just click on launch. I'll just increase the size so that my setup will be visible. Set up. I'll just come back to the previous size. I'll just go to app builder, Lightning App Builder, new. I have to select an app page because in this subunit we are going to create an app page. App page is defaultly selected. Next, I have to give a label. Label will be my data, copy, and template is one region. I'll just paste it here. Next, one region. Next. So the app page is got created. We have to just add the components here. So we have to just add the recent items, standard component. Okay, recent items, and I'll place it here. We have to display three records. Okay, I'll just select the object account. This is not visible, like they have given only account, contact, and lead. I'll just send those in selected account, contact, and where is the lead? It should be here. Yeah, it's here. And okay, three standard items or the recent items got displayed here, and we have to activate it for all users. Save, activate it for all users, and the API name is same as what we had discussed. It's like my data and it's same. Add app to the mobile navigation menu. Mobile navigation, add page to app. Yeah, like here you'll find the name like it's added. I can just put it on the top. Save. We have done it successfully, and we'll just quickly check the challenge whether we have done it right or wrong. We have completed our sixth subunit also successfully. We'll quickly jump into our last and final subunit of the badge named Lightning App Builder. So in this video, in this subunit, they have teached us like there is a custom Lightning components. So basically, let's start from the beginning. We have a custom components which can be created. We have a Lightning components which can basically be created custom also, and we have also standard Lightning components as well. So in this video we are just pulling the package which has some custom Lightning components and using those custom Lightning components into our app page. So I'll just go and check what we have for. Yeah, as I told, we'll have a package. We have to install that package, and this package contains a Lightning component which is custom Lightning component named contacts today, and we have to add that contacts today to this my data Lightning app page. So I'll just close the previously launched window. I'll just launch it freshly. I'll just increase the size so that my setup can be visible. I'll go for app builder, Lightning App Builder, my data, edit. Okay, like previously I have to just install the package, right? Before installing, how can I don't know why I'm going there. So I'll just install the package here. We have to go for Playground Starter to install new package. Install a package. I have to just copy this ID and paste it here. I also told previously that we have to check whether there is a space in the between, because while copying and pasting we will just add on with a space in the beginning. You have to just recheck it once and click on install, so that any errors would not be possible. Install for admins only, and we'll just click on install. We'll just wait for a while till it gets installed, and it has got installed. I'll just click on done, and I'll just go for app builder so that I can edit the app page. Lightning app builder. The app page was named as my data, right? Yeah, my data. I'll just click on edit, and I should find a new custom component here. See here, I've just found the custom managed components. I've found custom components also here. We have some 9 custom components, but in this 9 we have to just add one, which is named as contacts today. I'll just go to that and drag and drop it here. I've just added it. I'll just save it. I'll just activate it and save it. That's all. And I've just checked the challenge whether we are right or wrong. We'll just check it. And here, congratulations, we have completed our Lightning app builder badge, which was very long. I know this video is very long, but if you want some informations, you have to spend some time. You have to upskill yourself. So that's all for today, guys. If you like our content, please shed love, likes, comments, subscribe to our channel, and also share it to your friends. Don't singly akele akele mat padna. So I just tell you that, and yeah, thank you.